Plastic is one of the major global concerns today. It is actually the biggest source of pollution globally, but even locally in Uganda, it is the biggest source of pollution. And basically it's caused by mostly littering, littering and poor waste management. So why are we concentrating on plastics? It's because the impacts of plastics are very severe on our environment. Firstly, in the marine ecosystems, the water bodies, plastic impacts are very severe on the water quality as well as the aquatic life in those water bodies. So how does the plastic affect water bodies? The immediate and most visible impact is through the ingestion of the plastic by the animals, the suffocation of the animals by the plastics, and also these animals get entangled in the plastics.
What do you mean by them getting entangled and then suffocating?
For example, a fish swallows the plastic, and this affects the same way that a cow dies when it swallows plastic. Even a fish, when it swallows plastic, it's not able to eat, it's not able to breathe, and eventually it dies. So this affects the quality of the species that we have in the water bodies. And partly this is what is affecting our lakes. That's why the number of fish has also reduced because of this. But also, plastics generally take between 500 to 1,000 years to degrade, but still they don't degrade completely. They degrade into tiny particles that are called microplastics, which may be visible by the eye, but also it may further degrade into what they call a nanoplastic, which is less than 0.5 millimeters.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.